Today's Bible verse comes from Galatians chapter 5, verse 14, King James Version. For all the law is fulfilled in one word, even in this, thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. Galatians 5:14 says, love your neighbor as yourself. It means to show others the same love and care that you want for yourself. This verse is based on Leviticus 19:18. What does this verse mean? Number 1, it's about being kind, generous, and forgiving. Number 2, it's about serving others in love. Number 3, it's about using your freedom to love others. Number 4, it's about fulfilling the law. Number 5, it's about shifting your focus from self-centeredness to loving others. How does this verse apply to life? Number 1, it applies to how you treat others, including being kind, generous, and forgiving. Number 2, it applies to how you serve others, such as by helping those in need. Number 3, it applies to how you act out of goodness of heart and seek the benefit of others. Number 4, it applies to how you live your life, not just by performing religion's rituals. Amen.